Hey guys, welcome to episode 1 of my new tech blog. I'm Jay, you can call me Jay. I'm 24 and I'm a self-confessed tech geek and enthusiast. I've wanted to start a blog for quite a while. I've always wondered how to do it, and as it turns out, well, as it happens, I'm currently making a new system, so I thought I'd share it with you guys before I start spouting my opinions on this, that and the other. So this is my new PC. It's going to take a lot of work. I've got enough parts to get it up and running, but not actually finished. So we're going to see YouTube first. The case hasn't been reviewed on YouTube, surprisingly. At least if it has, I can't find it. So it should be interesting for you guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Let's cut to the interesting stuff. You don't want to hear me waffling on all the time. So here we go. Let's get this open.
Sort of scan of the top. Now you've got fucking Han Solo out of the way.
The easiest way to do this is just cut down the corner. I don't want to be lifting it out of case.
Yeah, of course.
There we go.
Told you. Heavy.
Yeah, it'll weigh about 15 kilos. Look at this beauty.
The monolith. God. Okay guys, now we've had the unboxing. Let me just talk you through this case. It's from the Little Devil. It's from www.ldcooling.com if you want to go check it out. He also has an eBay site that I bought this off. So as you can see, it's a big case. I mean, look at the size of that, and that's the Antec 1200. There's a bit of a difference, isn't there? It's absolutely massive. You can see we've got four grills at the top here. I love the grill design. We've got space for a radiator here, actually, for part of a water cooling system, which I'll probably implement later in a few months' time, probably. Let's look down at the front. As you can see, we've got the drive bays here, 4 of them. Space for the front fan there. We've got LCD. This is an LCD screen for temperature of the case and the evaporator. We've got 2 buttons, they light up as well. Oops. Yeah, they light up as well. This one's for the phase change, and this is for the actual PC. And this is the where air goes in for the compressor. Yeah, let's look in the inside now. As you can see, this case is it's actually custom made, handmade, I should say. It's all quality all over, perfect workmanship, it's gorgeous. Here's one of the things I like about it. We've got plenty of room behind there, I can fit my hand around. So wire-wise, I'd hate it when you get a case and your back panel's got enough room to fit a matchstick in, and that's about it. So that's really great. This is the evaporator. It's the nozzle leading to it. This is the evaporator head, which will be attached to my CPU of choice. This reaches -50, so it keeps everything nice and cool though. Okay, here we've got 5, I think it's 5, 1, 2, yep, 5 slots for hard drives there. At the minute I've got SSD boot drive, the OCZ Vertex 3, which is going to be Windows boot drive. I'm still contemplating on what else to put in there. Right, moving down, let's have a look at the actual phase change system. So we've got our intake there, which gets fed through this copper tube here into our nice little condenser there, which then goes through here all the way round up into our head, as I said before. Big and black. Okay, circuitry's all here. There's the Little Devil K-Type version 1.0 there, as you can see. Got a rear fan there. Oh, also the side panel has a side fan as well. There's a space in there for my power supply. So up at the top here is where my power supply will be going. I've got from OZC again a 1000 watt modular power supply. And the back, let's have a quick look. We've got a grill here again for you've got enough space here to fit a large radiator for water cooling. As I said, fits right along the top in here. Another fan grill, 120mm grills they are, by the way. PCI Express slots, I've got some covers for those as well. I'll show you those in a bit. So yeah, that's the case. I've got a lot of plans for it. It's going to be a really fun build, and I hope you guys will enjoy watching it, because I'm going to video every step of the way. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you thought it was pretty alright. I like that case. I think it's absolutely awesome. If anyone has any questions about anything you've seen or anything else, just leave them in the comments below, please. I will answer them. I'm going to be releasing an episode every week, at least. The first few specials will be released a lot quicker, because I'm going to actually start building it this morning. So I'm going to edit this, put it in, then I'll probably start the build. I've got a few more videos to do as well, bits and pieces. So yeah, please subscribe, rate, comment, add to friends as well, and I'll see you guys soon. Yeah, I almost forgot to add, I'm going to be doing news, reviews, custom builds, overclocking, guides, tutorials, pretty much anything you can think of to do with tech. If anyone has anything that they would like to see, or any kind of guide, then once again send me a message, let me know. It's going to be really fun, so do comment. Oh yeah, and after this is the outtakes from the PC unpacking, so that is pretty funny in some places, so have a laugh. now. It's a nice big knob end, isn't it?
A little waggle.
Oh shit, that's heavy. This is... Ah, that's why.
Retained.
This is zip tied to the...
Removal fail.
Yeah, definitely.
Bit of a Star Wars moment.
So I'm gonna get some nice little gadgets. I mean, you can get anything there, even a toaster if you want. But I'm not gonna put a toaster in it.
I am.
You can actually buy one. 30.
We actually need a new toaster. So, Bay 2 is designated toaster.
No.
Bay 1 designated new microwave.
No.
No, he will.
Right, well,
New microwave.
No, well, Bear 3's been my Blu-ray drive then.
Blu-ray? Oh, it's outdated. We've got green there now. Bay 3, we're going to have some sort of like, somewhere for him to put his like cans of cider. I'll go in here. Bay 4, which is here. Yep. You guessed it. That's going to be the finger point. You better edit this out.
Oh, I might leave it in.
No, don't you dare.